Welcome to a world where size doesn't matter but song does. Meet the zebra finch, a tiny bird with incredible secrets. From complex communication skills to their role in neuroscience, these small songbirds are full of surprises. Get ready to be amazed as we uncover the most fascinating and little-known truths about the extraordinary zebra finch. Let's dive into their mysterious world. There are two recognized species of zebra finch: the Australian zebra finch, Teniopegia castanotis, and the Sunda zebra finch. Despite their name, zebra finches aren't related to zebras. The zebra refers only to the male's fine black and white barring on chest and tail. Australian zebra finches are found almost everywhere in mainland Australia, except lush coastal rainforests and high mountain regions. Sunda zebra finches inhabit the Lesser Sunda Islands of Indonesia, from Lombok to Timor. Feral populations of zebra finches have established themselves in Taiwan and parts of Japan after escapees from the pet trade. These finches thrive in arid and semi-arid scrublands, grasslands, and even urban parks, so long as seeds and water are available. Satellite tagging studies show they can disperse over 100 kilometers when searching for seasonal water sources. Zebra finches gather in flocks that can number in the thousands at rich feeding sites after rains. Unlike many passerines, they do not migrate seasonally, but instead move nomadically in response to rainfall patterns. Fossil evidence suggests the genus Teniopedia has occupied the Australian continent for at least 2 million years. Adult zebra finches average just 10 grams in weight, about the same as 2 tablespoons of sugar. Their bright orange bill results from carotenoid deposition in keratin, and bill color intensity signals health and mating readiness. Males sport a black moustache stripe, malar stripe, that can vary subtly between individuals. The zebra finch heart beats at over 600 beats per minute in flight. They possess a highly developed syrinx, vocal organ, capable of producing 2 sounds simultaneously. Their eye anatomy allows nearly 360-degree vision, essential for spotting aerial predators. Zebra finches have only 4 toes, anisodactyl, 3 forward, 1 back, to grip narrow grass stems. The tongue has tiny papillae that help manipulate seeds before ingestion. A fine layer of down beneath flight feathers provides insulation even in desert nights near 5 degrees Celsius. Wing beat frequency averages 12 to 14 Hz during normal flight. They have a specialized salt gland at the beak base to excrete excess salt when drinking brackish water. Their kidney nephrons can concentrate urine to minimize water loss, a desert adaptation. Superfast song muscles in the syrinx contract 50 times faster than typical skeletal muscle. Juvenile finches replace all their flight feathers twice before adulthood, a rare molt strategy in passerines. Their small bursa of Fabricius, immune organ, involutes faster than in other songbirds, yet they resist many avian diseases. Each male zebra finch learns a unique song dialect from his father during a critical learning window at 25 to 65 days old. Females prefer males whose songs match local dialects, an example of cultural conformity. They use silent, subsong, practice sessions at night to refine their songs. Tail quivering by males signals readiness to receive a female. When alarmed, they freeze and flinch, holding perfectly still, making them nearly invisible among grasses. Courtship feeding, beak-to-beak transfers, strengthens pair bonds and tests male foraging skill. They engage in duet singing, where male and female parts interlock in precise turn-taking. Zebra finches can discriminate between more than 20 distinct conspecific call types. They recognize individual flock members by voice alone. Flock chorus calls coordinate group flight departures at dawn and dusk. Males use beak gaping displays, gular flutter, to ward off rivals. They perform ritualized wing twitch displays during pair bonding. Zebra finches are one of the few bird species known to laugh, soft staccato calls, when tickled by conspecifics in captivity. They can detect changes in magnetic fields, suggesting a rudimentary avian magnetoreception sense. Social stress in overcrowded aviaries leads them to imitate each other's stress calls. They use bill wipes on perches to scent mark territory. Zebra finch pairs maintain long-term monogamy, often for life in the wild. If a pair bond is broken, a divorce can lead to immediate pairing with a new mate. They can learn to peck a small button for food rewards, showing advanced problem-solving skills. Calming calls between mates synchronize heart rates and reduce stress during handling. Females lay 4 to 8 white eggs per clutch, often producing up to 6 clutches per year after rains. Eggs hatch in just 12 to 14 days, among the fastest for temperate passerines. Both parents feed nestlings with regurgitated seeds, rich in protein and fat. Nestlings develop adult-like beaks within 7 days, a remarkable growth spurt. Young fledge at 21 days, but continue to beg for food up to another week. If a nest falls, parents will rebuild and continue incubation without skipping a beat. Females can store sperm for up to 10 days, allowing fertilization spread across multiple ovulations. Females show post-copulatory cryptic choice by ejecting less preferred male's sperm. Juveniles practice sub-song before fledging, akin to a baby babble stage. Early development under mild heat stress leads to stronger adult song performance. Cross-fostering experiments reveal chicks' imprint on the vocal dialect of foster parents. Parents use egg dipping, feeding chicks small water droplets on beak tips to supplement hydration. Nest cavities, e.g. termite mounds, are sometimes used to better regulate temperature. Female zebra finches choose nest sites based on microclimate, prefer nests with temperature variance less than 5 degrees Celsius. Chicks recognize parental calls within 3 days post-hatch, crucial for begging coordination. 61 to 75. Genetics and Research Model. The zebra finch was the second bird, after chicken, to have its genome fully sequenced, 2008. Its genome contains over 17,000 protein-coding genes, many linked to vocal learning. Researchers discovered microRNAs unique to song nuclei that regulate song learning circuits. Zebra finches exhibit genomic imprinting in some brain regions, a rare phenomenon in birds. Long-term studies show song dialects can drift over decades like human languages. Brain imaging MRI reveals enlarged HVC and RA nuclei in males learning complex songs. Social isolation during development leads to permanent deficits in song syntax. Injection of estrogen into juvenile brains can masculinize song circuits in females. Their short generation time, 3 to 4 months, makes them ideal for multi-generational studies. Zebra finch vocal learning mechanisms inform human speech disorder research. Telomere dynamics in zebra finches parallel those in humans, used to study aging. They've contributed to insights on circadian gene regulation via activity-dependent genes. Viral vector gene knockdown in song nuclei can selectively disrupt precise syllable sequences. Their gut microbiome shifts seasonally, influencing immune responses and plumage development. Epigenetic marks laid down by early life nutrition affect lifelong song learning capacity. Zebra finches are currently classified as least concern, but localized droughts can cause dramatic population crashes. They serve as seed dispersers for many arid grasses, aiding ecosystem recovery after rain. Their droppings enrich nutrient-poor soils around waterholes, boosting local plant growth. They are prey for black falcons, Falco subniger, and brown goshawks, Accipiter fasciatus. Parasitic mites, Dermanisis gallinae, can infest nest boxes, reducing chick survival by up to 30%. They harbor novel RNA viruses, making them sentinel species for emerging avian diseases. Introduced cats and foxes cause heavy losses in some suburban flocks. Nest predation by ants, e.g. Iridomyrmex, can collapse entire clutches overnight. Fire regimes shape their habitat. Regular low-intensity fires promote seed germination they rely on. Urban flocks adapt by foraging on ornamental grass seeds and food scraps, demonstrating remarkable plasticity. Some wild males include silent notes in songs, brief ultrasonic clicks beyond human hearing. Rare albino individuals, approximately 1 in 10,000, occur in wild flocks. They survive poorly due to predator visibility. Finches displaced by cyclones have been documented over open ocean for hundreds of kilometers. In the dry season, they can detect underground water tables via low-frequency ground vibrations. Wild individuals occasionally perform mobbing calls to deter snakes near nest cavities. Some males incorporate mimicry of other species' calls into their repertoire, though very rare. Faint ultraviolet plumage patterns on cheeks, invisible to humans, play roles in mate choice. During solar eclipses, flocks fall eerily silent and roost as if it were night. Anecdotal reports from indigenous Australians describe finches using termite mud to line nests. Under extreme drought, some pairs skip breeding entirely for over a year, behavior still unexplained. Individuals can learn novel feeding techniques, e.g. opening tough seed pods, by observing just once. Brain-inactivated males still sing ghost songs, suggesting intrinsic song templates. In some captive flocks, cultural drift has produced song variants unintelligible to wild birds. Molting sequences can vary by up to 6 different timing patterns, even within a single population. A small number of wild zebra finches can live over 9 years, a remarkable lifespan for such a tiny bird. We hope you enjoyed these amazing and surprising animal facts. The animal kingdom is full of wonders, and there's always more to discover. If you love this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more fun and educational content. Stay tuned for more incredible facts. See you in the next video.